Did you know that you can now turn your pet into adorable 3D cartoon with Galaxy AI? With Android 16 and One UI 8.0, Samsung Portrait Studio lets you apply portrait effect not only to people but also to dogs and cats. One of the newest effects is 3D cartoon. It's giving your pet photos a fun animated look with just a few taps. To do so, open Gallery app. Then open a photo of a dog or a cat. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom. Swipe through the menu to find the Portrait Studio section. Tap 3D cartoon. Now tap generate to let your phone uses AI to apply the 3D effect. To create another variation, swipe left, then tap generate one more. Once you find your favorite, tap save copy and the new image will be saved in your gallery. And that's it. Your pet photo is now transformed into a 3D cartoon masterpiece with Galaxy AI. Creativity truly has no limit, even for your furry friend. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.